All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am in the house with a quick one. I have got right over here, look at this, Neon RZT Edition Bronze. Holy, what is this? This is a pretty cool one, of course, classic Shiro box. You have the Russian certificate right over here. You have the North American certificate from Recon. Look at this. Aha, this is the Rezat edition for the Neon. This is basically one of the rarest, let's say, production or limited edition or special edition Shirogorov that you can buy. So this is the Neon Rezat edition. As you can see, there's the R, Z, and T. Look at that pattern. It's beautiful. This is a Sinkevich designed pattern. Rezat is a Russian shop online, and they sell Shirogorov. It's an amazing shop. They have some pretty cool stuff, and this is a collaboration between Sinkevich, Dmitry, like the genius himself, which designed this pattern for the Neon, and these are extremely rare. So there's 20 made for each color, and there's the bronze, the blue, and the titanium one, the raw one, the gray. So you have 60 made of these fellas, 20 for each color, so good luck finding one. It's gonna be a hard task, but this is fantastic because it's one of my favorite patterns going on a Neon. I prefer this to the Frag, for sure, even if the base, let's say, it's kind of like the same, but this is much nicer. I love the dual contrast between the raw hardware backspacer and clip with the contrast of the bronze anodized scales on this Neon, which is based on the Neon Zero, as you can see, but it's much better because there's some anodized. There is some milling pattern in the handle to testify that Dmitry Sinkevich can clearly design some knives as well, but also some patterns simply for the milling going on a scale. And this action, of course, is outstanding, guys. This is a Neon Rezat edition in bronze. Really cool one, only 20 made. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.